Corralejo is the largest and most popular resort in Fuerteventura. It has stunning beaches where you can enjoy activities such as windsurfing, kitesurfing, surfing, hiking, golf, and more. It has a vibrant nightlife and a variety of activities and attractions. It is also known for its excellent cuisine, diverse culture, and laid-back atmosphere. Plus, its proximity to other resorts in the Canary Islands makes it a popular destination. Caleta de Fuste. People visit Caleta de Fuste for its stunning beaches, warm climate, and range of water sports and leisure activities. The area is home to a number of shops, restaurants, and resorts, making it a popular base for tourists visiting Fuerteventura. It is also known for its beautiful natural landscapes, with rugged cliffs and white sandy beaches. Caleta de Fuste is a great destination for families as it has a wide range of activities suitable for all ages, from water parks, mini golf, and go-karting, to boat trips and dolphin watching. There is plenty to do. Costa Calma. People visit Costa Calma for its stunning beaches, beautiful scenery, and laid-back atmosphere. It is also known for its excellent windsurfing, kitesurfing, and snorkeling opportunities, as well as its many luxury resorts. Its year-round sunshine and warm temperatures make it a popular destination for both tourists and locals alike. Plus, there are a range of activities for the whole family, such as golf, horse riding, and camel safaris. For some fantastic offers to Fuerteventura and in many other places around the world, see the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell.